In this problem, we are going to graph the line passing through the point -1, -3, whose slope is 4. The line passes through the point -1, -3, so let's first plot the point in a coordinate system. And the line has a slope of 4. Now, let's rewrite this as a fraction. Since the slope of a line is expressed as the ratio of the rise to the run, this tells us that the line has a rise of 4, and a run of 1. Now, let's count the rise and run in a coordinate system, starting at the point -1, -3. Up 4 units, and then right 1 unit. Then, let's draw a line through these points and put arrows on both ends of the line. And this is the line passing through -1, -3, whose slope is 4.